Hey, what's up guys? Few months back I bought a gaming laptop. So this is Asus TUF series Ryzen 9 5900HX with RTX 3060, and I think this is the most affordable laptop with RTX 3060. It comes in a briefcase like box packing, on opening which you can see Asus card and user manual guide. In the left part of the box you can find the charging adapter, which is a 90-watt adapter, which I think is one of the best in the gaming laptops. On its right you can see power cable. Now let's just unwrap the laptop. It has an armory grade design, and here you can see how amazing it looks. I think it justifies the cost of this laptop. As you can see, it has 83 blades, dual fans, which helps to keep the fan cool for heavy usage. Then we have two SSD slots available. One SSD slots will have the SSD with that can be like about 512 GB, and the another one will be free for the future usage. It supports Wi-Fi 6 technology. It also has AI noise cancellation, which will really help you in your meeting. There is 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. It has 144 Hz adaptive sync display. If your work is mainly related to the color grading, then I will suggest you to have a separate monitor, or maybe go for some other laptops, because the screen is not purely RGB. This is just 45%. It has 8 cores, and all cores act as a performance as well as efficiency core, not like in the Intel where we have separate performance and separate efficiency cores. At the back you can see it has honeycomb ventilation for cooling of this laptop. On its left you can find all necessary ports. The first one is the power port, where you can put your charger, and then we have the second one, Ethernet cable, where we can have the internet. Then the third one we have HDMI cable, here we can place our HDMI cable to connect it with the another secondary screen or monitors. Then the fourth one we have two USB ports, which is 3.2 Gen 1 USB port. Then fifth one we have Type-C port. Type-C port is basically used for you can connect another external monitor, and this time the monitor will connect with your graphic card. The sixth one is the microphone. Here you can place your headphone or microphone. On its right you can see one USB port. We can easily lift the lid of this laptop with just one finger. The boot time of this laptop is about 10 to 12 seconds, and if you uninstall few things like antivirus which you get pre-installed, or some of the unnecessary apps that you can disable from the startup of the system, I think that will really help to decrease the boot time. You can buy this laptop from the link in the description. I bought this laptop around 1 lakh rupees. That was basically 98,000, and on top of that I got a 1000 rupees discount, so that was somewhere 97,000 rupees. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such content.